So the day before yesterday my water pump died, so today we are going to disassemble it, and we are going to see what happened actually, and we're gonna order a new water pump and see what kind of water pump we can order, with the plastic blades, metal blades, I don't know. Let's see, let's disassemble it. First we're gonna remove the belt. This belt has a tensioner. The tensioner is 16 millimeter, so we're gonna release. Let go. Clean your tools. I had a clean hand before doing this, and I just started and look at it. Okay, and I have made a mistake. First release the bolts. Now I need to put back the belt. Actually, I don't know is this fine or not, but I'm gonna reuse it. You can hear. Okay, so I have found one. I'm gonna use it here, and then I'm going to place it at the bottom if needed, but let's try to remove the pump with these bolts. I don't know, is it moving or not? Let's try to put it at the bottom. Wow. Wow. Now, I think that pump was very old, and it probably was cracked the other day. Huh. Now I wonder which production date is this pump. I think it's going to crack here also. Yeah, it's cracked. So So I had tried everything and even a new screw. Screwed it in and it broke. So it got a bit out on this side, but it was stuck again. So I tried the hammer, and I was tapping it from this side and this side, and this is finally out. You can see the broken bolt, and this was all corroded aluminum, but it's finally out. So the new water pump is ordered, and now we wait. Oh, it's broken here. Can you see the crack? Yeah, cracked here as well. Maybe that's from me, from hammering. You can see a missing part here. I will need to check the block for the part, but this is a old one, and there are no brand markings anywhere. So there's a number here, but there is no brand. So I really don't know what manufacturer this pump is, but it's metal, fully metal, and it was leaking from here. So somewhere in here the seals went out and it leaked. Now we wait for the new part and we're gonna install it. We have the new pulley ordered and the new belt. Yeah, this was a struggle. This is day 5 since I started doing it. So that's how to remove a stuck water pump and with the broken screw tabs. Hello everyone, we're back and we have and we have an update. We always have an update. So the water pump is out, as you've seen on the last videos. We need to loosen this tensioner, remove this belt, and replace this belt. This belt is from 2016. It's not bad, it's not cracked, but it's 8 years old, and we're gonna replace it since we're doing everything here. And we got the parts, and we're gonna replace it with 𝐜𝐭 belt structure, EPDM material and polyester fibers and reinforced cotton. Okay, never used 𝐜𝐭, but it's a project car and it's not going to be driven so much, so a fresh belt is okay. Other than that, we have a tensioner pulley. It's just a pulley, not the whole tensioner. Why? Because the old one was shot. As you can see, there's noises. It says somewhere here, yeah, BMW. So this is probably from 1997, the original part. Yeah, I don't see a date here. Never mind. We have a new 𝐜𝐭, so it's better than the old one. It's new. Also 𝐜𝐭, and I don't know, up to 7-year warranty. Well, that's nice. And the main thing here, we have Denkerman water pump. Why Denkerman? Because it was a good price. Also, Denkerman parts, they actually look legit. So you see it's fine CNC. We got some stamp here. This looks very fine, and it's all from metal. for the comparison, the old one, the new one, yeah, they actually, yeah, so it's the same, but this one, oh, maybe we have some differences if we align them. No, everything's fine. This one has a bit more of a gap here than this one, but basically it's the same, and I think this one is just gonna be fine. We have the O-ring. O-ring goes here, and that's it. We're gonna put some silicone oil here, just to make it slide in more easily. Yeah, maybe I should put on every side. Okay, so let's install the pump. There you go. So it's loose. I can remove the belt. Okay, and this is a 2016 belt, so the same as this one. So it will need replacements, but that will be for another time. Okay, so we don't have a belt. Okay, so I'm gonna put a bit of silicone oil on the gasket so it could slide in more easily. Cool, so that's enough, and it goes like this. It's in. Okay, so we have this one, that's the main long one, and it goes here or not. They go in here, here, and on the bottom. Okay, now press it in. Finger tight to everything. So the camera died, and I don't know how much did it manage to film, but not only that, the rain is starting, so I don't really have luck today. So it's raining, and I just want to finish this job. And this cat is annoying me. Dosta. I don't think this is going anywhere. And now the belt. Like that. Like that. So it's sitting here properly. Also here. And on the crankshaft. Alternator, yeah, it's good. And now the belt for the AC. Okay, so now is it a 13? Yes, it's a 13. So use an Allen key to get the tension in its place. I think this is fine. Don't over tighten it with the Allen key, and I think this is fine. Maybe I should use a bigger tool. This is fine. We got that done, and let's check the water pump again. Oh, we haven't tightened this. Okay, let's try to start the car. But first, let's top up the coolant. Well, that cat is so annoying me that I forgot to install this. So I have bought a new battery, but that one I will put in the Touring, and from the Touring I will put here. But for now I'm going to start the car with cables. It hasn't been running for a while, so probably there's no fuel pressure. Nice, that took quite long. Wow, the rattling noise is gone. So the water pump was actually making all that noise. Wow. Wow. And I don't know why does he do something like this. That's a vacuum leak. Somewhere here I hear the vacuum. I hear the air. Alright, so we have fixed the rattling issue and the water pump issue. We got a new belt. Wow. Hear the engine. It's working fine. And I need to find that hissing sound, because I did not hear that hissing sound before, because the water pump was so loud, and now I can hear it, and I will try to figure it out, because I was suspicious that there is a vacuum leak. So let's find it.